Look at Sam. Well, guys. Hi, guys. So we're back. And Lexi and I just went to a pet store. And we just saw a lot of beautiful exotic birds. And a couple of other animals and stuff here and there, too. We got chased by a giant baby rabbit. And I got nibbled on by, I forget what the bird is called. I think it's called the eclectus. And it's the same bird that was in the other video when she was just a little baby and her feathers were starting to grow. But now she is so big and she is so beautiful. And I have some video footage of her biting on me. She tried to steal my diamond. So I put my undiamond hand to her and she tried to steal my fingernail on several different fingers. But that's okay. And then also, if you go to my Google Plus page, her wings on the inside, they're blue. They're really pretty. She didn't open her wings while I was recording the video, and I'm shooting on my phone. Of course, I would leave my camera at home thinking, oh, there's not going to be too much interesting to see when we go here. I'm just going to go look for guinea pigs. And we get there, and then there's these beautiful birds. So, my neighbor just looked at me like I was crazy. Anyway, I forgot. What was I saying? What was I talking about? Oh, so she didn't open her wings while I was recording, but she did open her wings while I, before I took the camera out, she opened her wings and showed the pretty blue that's underneath her red wings. So if you want to see that, go to my Google Plus page. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh, guys, I forgot to mention earlier, the eclectus bird that I mentioned a few seconds ago. Well, that's the same bird that I had in another video, and it was just a baby. It barely had feathers, little red feathers coming out, and it was a baby in the cage. Well, now it's that big, beautiful bird that you'll see when you watch the video. But man, check that bird out. I mean, she was gorgeous. She's just really pretty bird. And yeah, okay, I'll let you guys see the video now. He's playing with a chain. They don't have any guineas.
Is that weird?
Hi, gorgeous.
I think that
Hi, beautiful
Zazu.
bird.
I think
Zazu?
Yeah.
Are you Zazu? One of these birds' name is Zazu. It's not where I got my bird's name from. It just so happens to be the same name.
There's Zazu.
I think the red one's Zazu. I don't know what the other one's name is. Got some big boys here. Hello, beautiful. Two big boys. There's the other one.
I think he chained himself.
Hello. You see, you want some attention, huh? Hi, big birdie. Hello, birdie.
See, I love when Zazu itches. I love when Zazu does that. So cute. Because
They're both cute. They're all just pretty. Now we're looking at finches and parakeets and some kind of parrot. Oh, but I want you guys to see the parrot in the front. They're called cuddle buddies. Not really, but they could be. Look at them.
Buns.
They're all cuddly. That one's not cuddly. He wanted to be by himself, but these two over here. Here's Stanley biting on Lexi's shoe. You are soft, Stanley. You are very soft. You might want some food. She's trying to take your shoe off your foot.
Ow.
Here, move away from him, hon. You leave those shoes alone. Leave those shoes alone. Leave those shoes alone, Stanley. Oh, yeah. You don't bite the shoes. You don't bite the shoes. You're not biting mine. You're going to bite my toes. He's going to chase you now. Getting chased by Stanley. Look. Ooh, I'm bumping into stuff. Stanley's following us. Come on, Stanley. Right, here he comes, watch. There he goes. He's following us. He's right here. Stanley!
He's probably getting hungry.
Here. Use my other hand. Come here. You can't stand like I got a parakeet at home. Come here. You want to get on my arm? Come on. There you go. Beautiful. You're gorgeous.
She's an eclectus.
You're gorgeous. Man, she got friendly quick, man, huh? Wow. You're pretty. I can say I've had a neglect. I don't even think neglect is what is it?
Eclectus.
Eclectus. Eclectus. There's nothing on my hand. There's nothing there.
Just tasting you.
There's nothing unless you want some salt like Stanley back there. I got plenty of that. I do. You are so pretty. You are. You're a gorgeous bird. You're gorgeous. You see him, Lex? Or her?
She is a girl. I know that for sure because of her color.
Yeah, they said the boys weren't as pretty as the girls are, as usual, right?
I thought the boys are usually prettier than girls.
You're trying to bite me. I don't have any food on me, honey. I don't have any food. I don't. She's got this real sweet face. You know, just real. She just looks really nice. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. I'm going to put a bird seed on the end of my thumb, though, so you can have that instead of my thumb.
And don't come off, silly bird.
It doesn't. It's my fingernail. You want diamonds and you want thumbnails. And you want my finger. You just want everything on me.
Maybe you're supposed to be solving her food.
I'm joking. You don't want to hold it?
So, Kim, I'm going to get in the back of the fish room.
All right. Well, we're going to go, buddy. I'm glad you let me hold you. I'm glad. You should be glad I let you bite me for a little while, too. Hi, beautiful. Go on. Go on. There you go. Get on up there. Good girl. That's a good girl. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Well, you know the drill. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. See you guys next video. Ciao.